Talking here with my buddy Patrick, who's installing gutters for us today. Guys, this is a stress-filled day. It's been a while since I've seen him. He actually asked me, what did you say, Patrick?
Did you dye your hair?
Shut up, man. That's not funny.
Yeah, the big Lebowski on the shirt.
Oh, you know what? It is, man.
It is, huh?
The older I get, the more I think I become the dude. Yeah, the dude abides, right? So we're going to talk today real quickly about drip edge. This conversation came up. One of my customers, Fascia drip edge. This house has gotten, and y'all probably go ahead and drop in this this video some pictures of the fascia and the soffit prior to our work. But this is drip edge with fascia and soffit. My customers was mentioning like a 2-inch style fascia or drip edge or something like that today. We put drip edge on this job, and then we're going behind it with fascia. A lot of these fascia boards were replaced. We did that ourselves, and we redecked this home for our customer as well. It was hoping to get away, not have to replace the deck boards, but that wasn't the case. Unfortunately, we weren't so lucky. New gutters, as you can clearly see, fascia behind the drip edge here, which is pretty much always going to be normal. Loving the look. I think our customers Tom and Sherry are going to be extremely happy with this, and hopefully wrapping up this job a little bit later today. Pulled out this chimney over here. You guys can probably see that. And we also pulled down an I-beam right there that's a little bit different. The I-beam was a light that had been de-energized, so we just cut that and roofed over it. But it's going to be an awesome little project. I'm very happy for this family and the look, and you know, this solution should last them for many decades to come and make their home, you know, a lot more secure and safer. Thank you guys so much for checking out the edge of this roof, the fascia, the soffit, and the drip edge, and these new gutters going on today. I appreciate you guys watching, and call us if we can help with your next gutter, fascia, or drip edge project. And by the way, we do roofs as well. Kirby Smith with Lightspeed.